Hi guys, I'm here today to help you with an issue that a lot of people who wear glasses like myself, we wear our masks and they get fogged up. So with that being said, I'm going to show you how I resolve that issue, and it works all the time. So basically what I do is I'll either use a dish soap, detergent, or body soap. What you do is you're going to take, I'm going to use a little bit of my dish soap. What you do is you're going to take and you're going to put a film on your glasses, like I'm doing here. And I've done this ever since we've been having to wear masks. I've been doing this all along. And trust me, it gets steamy and hot, and especially when you're working. So what you do is you get a soft tissue and you buff it down. Get them nice and clean. I'm just making sure mine are nice and clean. And do use a soft tissue. You don't want to scratch up your lenses, and also it makes them really, really nice. All right, so to prove that this works, I have steaming hot water right here. Gotta be careful because it's boiling water. You could see the steam. And look at this. Inside the steam, inside the steam, and nothing. See that? No steam whatsoever on your glasses. So you can always see perfectly clear with your glasses. All right, that's the first thing I want to show you. And the second thing I want to show you is that I've been making these masks myself. Okay, and I want to show you, I've seen a lot of people out there, they're using their mask. They're using the mask like this. Now they're using the mask like this. Or they're using the mask where they have gaps on the side. Okay, you need a proper fitting mask. One that comes up on your cheeks, goes under, and it's perfectly sealed on the sides with a good, comfortable ear loops. Now, with these masks that I've been making, I've been telling my customers to use a liner in the inside. Now, I found that I've tried different liners and whatnot, but this is what has helped me immensely. These are Equate panty liners. They are from Walmart. They're absolutely inexpensive, and you get 120 in a pack. So what I do is take a liner, open it up, I peel it, then I like to fold it kind of in half like this. Then I like to take my mask, the reverse side, and put the center fold to the center like this, and just press it in. And then when I finish, I like to press it in, and I know it looks weird, guys, but this really works. And the reason I use these is because I have tried other filters and they don't stick onto the back of your line of the inside of your mask, and then it's rubbing on your face. You're touching your face and it's sticking onto your nose because you start to sweat. So I find that these are the best to put into your mask. And also, since I created this pattern myself, I want to show you the difference in the mask that you buy or that you've been using as opposed to the ones that I made. These are what everybody's using, okay? And I'm a little claustrophobic. No, I'm a bit claustrophobic. So what I did was I made this design that it comes up higher on the bridge of the nose so we don't have to have the wire. I also extended it out this much so that way it's not pushing on my nose or on my mouth. And I also extended it here so you get a nice fit around the face. See that? This is what you're using, and this is how I accommodated mine. And when you use my mask, your glasses are supposed to hold them up there. Since you don't have the wires, it's more comfortable, it's easier to wash. You wash these every day. So I have a couple of them here that I've been using for myself. So use one, wash it, use one, wash it, use one, wash it. I have a variety. And if you're interested in my masks, you can contact me here where I do have a multitude of masks. These are the men. Now they are limited, okay? And then I have a variety of women masks as well, which are fun. Look at these. These have a little glitter in them. And then I have these other masks. Let me get the little bandana out of there. All right, so guys, if you're interested in any of my masks that I made, especially for me because I'm claustrophobic, as you can see, they're nice and tight. They go around. You're covering yourself. You have enough room for your face. And I have cotton ear loops, which are comfortable as opposed to what I was originally using, which was elastic. All right, so guys, I hope this video has been helpful, informative, and you try my tips at home. And if you're going to use the bar soap, take the bar soap and rub it on your lens as opposed to the liquid where you could just smear it on. You take the soap and you rub your lenses and you can see. I've been talking to you this whole time. I am not fogging up and I can see you perfectly clear. Guys, I hope this has been helpful, informative, and please do share this with your friends on Facebook and anywhere you like and help everybody out. And please, for our safety, please use your mask the right way. We're trying to eliminate this COVID-19 coronavirus. So please use your mask, use them properly. Don't be exposing yourself. I know it gets hard, but like if I can't breathe for a minute, I just pull this down here and I breathe. Again, plenty of room and everything. Guys, thank you. Please share this video. Please stay safe and God bless you all.